Young man, can't you see your prince? How dare you pass the prince of this kingdom without greeting?
You want for them? Sure, CULTIST they greet. CULTIST they greet.
My prince.
Dad, calm down.
This is a stern warning to you to leave my man alone. This is a very lonely road, as you can see. I can do whatever it is I want to do to you right now. Nobody would ever find out. Leave him alone!
Princess, it's not my dream. Oh. It's the prince's dream. He's the one dreaming. It's not me. So you go and tell him that he should undream me.
Yes!
What is it? How can I help you? Why are you frustrating me? Huh?
Look, I didn't come here for a fight. I came here to tender my apologies.
What is your problem? Why do you want to frustrate me?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to frustrate you. I'm sorry that I've been embarrassing you and harassing you for a while. The love I have for you is the reason I do so.
Don't come closer. Not near me.
The love I have for you is the reason I'm doing all of that. I need you to understand it.
Apology accepted.
Well, hold on. Why are you such in a hurry? Don't be mean to me.
I'm not mean to you. I cannot marry you. Me, I have somebody I want to marry. I have somebody after my heart that I want to marry. Eh?
You have somebody after your heart that you want to marry.
Yes.
A bare human. Can she protect you? What can she give to you that I can't give to you?
Oh.
Does she have the powers that I have? I am the chief priestess of this community. She respect me for that and be glad that I'm even wanting to be with you.
Huh?
I'm here to apologize. I'm truly sorry. Look.
Go back. Go back. Don't touch me. So I'm not here for this your the touch and play. I have somebody I want to marry. And I'm in love with her. Anytime I think about her, may I just make
I know that love is a two-way thing. It has to be reciprocated.
Thank God you know.
It just hurts me that you can't see it.
See her. Protector. I don't have time for all this rubbish. Nonsense.
Supposing you do have a change of heart, I'll be here.
Heart attack.
Father.
Is this chair here? Huh? Yeah, baby, come here. Huh? Where's your younger sister and her brother?
They're sleeping, Father.
They're sleeping. Come. I wait for this night to follow you and talk. Sit down here. Sit down here, idiot. Adanna. Huh? I go to a village meeting this afternoon. I have come back. I hear people begin to talk that the priestess, and you, are fighting over the prince. Why? What is your business? You know that we don't have anything. You are the only one that I have with your younger ones. Eh? After your mother died, oh God, oh my wife. It's okay. Listen to me. I do not see reason why you will be fighting over the prince with the priestess. The priestess is royal. The prince is royal. We have nothing to do with royal. Are you listening to what I'm saying? Run away from that man.
Father, I'm not fighting with the priestess.
Yeah.
I'm not fighting. And I'm not going after the prince. It's the prince that's coming for me.
If the prince is going after you, run for your dear life. Are you listening to what I'm saying? Run for your dear life. Because you want to make the Igwe banish us, or you want to make the priestess use her power on us. Be very careful. My mouth is smelling, but take the word out of my mouth. Have you heard what I'm saying? Nah, I get that from this place.
I cannot be your woman. You are the most notorious in this village. Please just leave me. Let me go. I don't want any trouble.
Don't you know that this village, anything you do, they must talk. That is life. See, don't marry me or love me because of who I am or who I be. You will marry me because I will protect you in this village. Anybody will do anyhow. For your sake, I go put out for your body. You go collect.
I don't want trouble.
Did you want me to kiss someone because of you? Okay, for your sake, let me kiss 7 people for the start.
You see what I'm saying, eh? You see what I'm saying?
I will protect you. I go finish this village for your sake. I shut up,
I cannot date you.
Chinwe,
Yes, my friends.
why are you carrying a log of wood on your head? Standing with unknown man. Ever. I just coming from the farm, stressed up, carrying a log of wood, and you are standing here. Your father will be home waiting for you. Come on, go home.
Yes, you know, tell you say they pay Anna. Show you Vini.
Don't stress yourself too much. Let's go.
Thank you, my friends.
Let's go.
This body guy, you the overdo. Prince, just leave me and this your body guy. Maybe we do a one-on-one. This is our prince. I don't know what I do for this village. I feel like crying. Any girl I heard they toast, we just collect, and this is the second babe I'll be approaching toasting. I don't see collect. Don't worry, Prince will collect soon.